Give me structure. Yep. Okay. So you're waving the force out, and then where's the edge of where you speed it up, and the shock happens, and then there's wave, and then it sort of blows everything apart slightly as the energy goes through.
Is it the same time as the wave?
So putting the wave and
Oh, it's right there. Sudden.
yeah, and then you just go backwards and forwards. You wave it and you shock it, and you wave it and shock it. You'll notice the shock needs less energy to get more result than the wave.
Okay.
Yeah, because it just opens everything up more, makes the system more vulnerable.
Okay.
And then you just work on the mental space, because when you shock, there's a tendency to withdraw the mind to make the shock. So you got to stretch the mind out while you're creating that rotation of the core.
The shock is feeling. You're affecting the field. Is that right? So you can do it fast.
Yes. So